Hello students, I am Uma Vidushi, your English teacher, and today I am here to let you know about proverbs. I am sure you use many different sayings or expressions while communicating. You know what these sayings are called? Yes, it is called proverbs. So let's begin today's class and learn 15 different proverbs with their meaning and sentences use. Before that, let me allow to read about the proverbs. So, a proverb is a short, memorable phrase that gives advice about life. It can contain traditional beliefs about life. Or you can also say that a proverb is a short saying that gives advice or expresses truth. They aren't usually literal saying. It uses figurative language to make statement about life. Okay, so let's see the first proverb. The grass is always greener on the other side, which means people always long for what they don't have and they are never happy with what they have. Let's use it in sentence. He was very happy with us, but wanted to see if the grass was greener elsewhere. The next proverb is better late than never. It means it is better to do things late than not doing it. Let's use it in a sentence. The dress arrived after the dance, but better late than never. Next is don't pull all your eggs in one basket, which means don't put all your energy on one place. You can use it in sentence like why are you putting all your money into one company? Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Let's see the next proverb. Let sleeping dogs lie, which means do not or don't disturb a situation as it would result in trouble or complication. Use it in sentence. Annie decided not to bring up the argument she had with her husband last night. It was best to let sleeping dog lie. Isn't this interesting? Next is too many cooks spoil the broth. It means too many people working on the same thing can ruin it, means destroy it or waste it. Let's see the sentence example. The company management had 11 decision makers. No wonder it closed operations since too many cooks spoil the broth. The next proverb is a fool and his money are soon parted, which means people who are not careful on how to use their money will spend it quickly. Now let's use it in a sentence. She gave up her entire estate on the basis of verbal promise. A fool and his money indeed easily parted. The next proverb is don't count your chicken before they hatched, which means don't plan too far ahead because things do not always turn out the way they were planned. Let's use it in example. Before committing to make the payment, wait till you receive the money from the bank. Don't count your chickens before they hatched. The next proverb is many hands make little work, which means the more there are people to help, the lighter work is. Now let's use it in example. The workers gathered when the company was facing financial trouble to raise capital and proved that many hands make light work. The next here proverb is the early bird catches the worm, which means being early is the good thing. See, this is the very good life lesson for us. Let's use it in sentence. Told you that only the early bird catches the worm in this organization. Why did you wait for the last minute to send your application out? Right? So always do the thing early. It is good for us. The next here is one good turn deserves another, which means a good deed is properly me with another good deed. Now let's use it in a sentence. A good turn towards another. Right? This is the word. Let's use it in a sentence. A favor should be returned in kind, as in I will give you a ride next time. A good turn deserves another. Now let's have a look on the another proverb. Great minds think alike, which means it is a humorous expression that is used when something else is thinking about the same thing you are thinking of. Okay, now let's use it in a sentence. Let's break for lunch. I was also thinking for the same thing. Great minds think alike. Yes, even you students also do it during your school hour. At the same time, your friends and you have the same thought in your mind. So that is great minds think alike. The next expression here is courtesy costs nothing, which means it is always helpful to be polite and everyone can afford being well mannered. Now use it in a sentence. Courtesy costs nothing, and I am sure that we would all like to see better manners. Last but not the least of this video, a stitch in time saves 9, which means it is better to spend a little time to deal with problems straight away. If you keep waiting, the things can only get worse. Right? Now use it in a sentence. It seems that something wrong with my car. It's better to get it checked up, as a stitch in time saves 9. So students, I hope you find it very interesting. Many expressions we came today, and use these expressions, use these proverbs in your daily communication. That will help you to learn its meaning, and it will make your communication also very impressive. Okay, so thank you for staying with me till the end of the video. See you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.